Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to answer this one. We need to use about interpretation by past. So I will put about u equals to se to the power of negative s. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So this one that is about number one. This one we have negative e to the power of negative s. That is about the product rule of the derivative. So on the next one, we need to put dv equals to the s over 1 plus s, everything to the power of 2. Later that, we need to do the integration, and we got v equals to negative number 1 over 1 plus s. So I will put about u multiplied by v minus, we put the u multiplied by v, so negative and negative, we have positive. So we have the integration. This one divided by 1 plus s. So in this situation, I can do about factorization by e to the power of negative s. So I will put negative go outside, and this one we have s minus number 1. Because negative change, this one will return back to 1 minus s. Next, I need to add about number 1. Later that we need to minus about number 1. So negative number 1, we have negative number 2. So s plus 1 divided by 1 plus s, we have number 1. So you got e to the power of negative s. And then we have negative number 2, e to the power of negative s over 1 plus s. So the integration of e to the power of negative s, we have negative, and we have another negative in here, and that's about positive. Next, negative and negative, we have positive. So I will focus on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 plus s. Because we have s, so I will put number 1 go to the left. Now we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we got like this. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1 and number 1. So that is about u minus number 1. This is about u. This is about the u. Or this is positive number 1, sorry. Because negative with negative, we have positive. So in this one, we put e and e to the power of negative u. So I will put 2e go outside. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to negative u. Later that we put negative go to the left because we have u in here. Now we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So negative u that is about t. U that is about negative t. Du that is about negative dt. So we simplify negative and negative. The integration of this one, that is about exponential integral of t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about negative u. About u, that is about this one. Now we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.